In this video, I'm going to go over 15 work from home jobs that are always hiring. These are all jobs that can be done remotely and don't require you to leave your home. These are all great options if you want to stay at home with your children, quit your 9 to 5 and work from home, or you're just looking for some flexibility to make some extra income. I'm going to share what companies are hiring, the type of jobs they have available, and how much you can expect to earn. Since there's such a variety of different online work from home jobs available, be sure to watch until the end to find the perfect one just for you. All right, so the first one we're talking about is Working Solutions, and it's a virtual call center. You can either work as an independent contractor or a full-time employee, and they offer a bunch of different ongoing education, community support, and valuable resources to connect your agents with excellent customer service experience. So you can apply. They've won tons of rewards, and they call it the Woohoo Team Crew. So they have a caring culture, work from home, and you can be your own boss, set your own schedule, or just have it as a side hustle. This is a great opportunity if you're looking for some flexibility from a work from home job and you love to kind of work with other people and be on the phone. So how much can you get paid from Working Solutions? Each program's paid a little bit differently. Pay is based on the record or entry, or others pay by talking per minute, sales, or a combination of both. So they have a base hourly rate of $15 per hour, and you can kind of use this calculator to pick and choose. So if you're working 5 hours per day, 5 days a week, you can expect to earn $375 per week. Now, $15 per hour doesn't seem like much, but there are incentives and programs to help you increase your income as you go. So to get started, you can simply go to workingsolutions.com and go ahead and click apply now and get started. The second company that's always hiring is going to be rev.com, and Rev is basically a transcriptionist work from home job. You basically will get files or videos that you are going to listen to and then type out. So you have to be really good at typing, you have to be accurate and fast, and obviously the faster and more accurate you work, the more money you can make. But this is a great opportunity as a freelancer, set your own hours, super flexible, and the pay is not too bad. You can expect to earn an average of $245 per month, with the top earners earning around $1,500 per month. So how much does that actually come out to? That's averaging between 36 to 60 cents per audio minute. So like I said, the faster you work, the more accurate you are, the faster you are going to be able to make money with rev.com. All right, the third one's gonna be Upwork, and Upwork is a freelancing platform where you can find a variety of different online jobs. There's gonna always be postings for new opportunities, from writing to graphics design to virtual assistant. So any of these money-making skills that you have, you can start to earn income through Upwork on. All right, so I typed in freelance writing, and some of the opportunities that came up were constant writing position, new writer opportunity, estimated budget of $350. We also have a solo freelancer in the US that's going to be $20 to $35 per hour. And if you keep going on, there's just tons and tons of opportunities to become a freelance writer. So Upwork's an incredible platform for freelancers if you have skills that you already have from your job or skills that you've learned on the side through YouTube or any online course. These are all money-making skills that you can use and leverage them to make money on Upwork. So how much money can you make on Upwork? It really depends on the skills that you have. Obviously, the higher demand your skill is, the more value you can bring to a business owner, the more you're going to get paid. But you can expect anywhere from $10 up to $50 to $100 per hour, depending on the skill. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned this already or not, but I will have links to all these websites in the description below, so make sure you check them out. All right, number 4 is going to be weworkremotely.com, and it's a job board that basically shares online jobs, remote full-time jobs with customer service, software engineering. They have a variety of different jobs from big companies as well. We're talking Google, Amazon, Apple. So you can really find, if you are looking for a legitimate career, you can find 6-figure remote jobs on We Work Remotely for sure. So we have a senior full stack developer. I don't even know what that means. B2C sales manager, $50,000 per year, senior backend engineer. So lots of engineer tech type of jobs from big companies that are looking for remote workers. There's also remote sales jobs, and there's also remote customer service jobs. So lots of different opportunities. It's a great job board. You can find tons of remote work here. And again, the pay is really going to depend on the type of job that you're applying for and the skill set that you have. All right, so next is going to be Automatic. And Automatic is the company that's actually behind WordPress.com, which basically is the software that runs 90% of the internet, 90% of the websites on the internet. And they're always hiring remote workers. You can find a variety of jobs from their website, customer service, marketing, sales, and they have lots of opportunities here. So they have engineering, designers, marketing, business, finance, legal, products, lots of different jobs. You can apply right online. They also have benefits. So obviously Automatic's a huge company, and they're always hiring. So it's definitely one to check out. All right, number 6 is LiveOps, and LiveOps is a company that provides customer service solutions to business. They have a network of independent contractors that work together remotely and provide customer service to big name corporations. So LiveOps is definitely more customer service geared. So if you love customer service and you're really good on the phone or really good through messaging and answering customers' issues, this is a great opportunity for you. They are always hiring people all the time. I've never seen them not hiring. And the great thing is flexible hours again. Definitely tons of different nights and weekends and call centers, different opportunities with insurance sales, outbound sales, retail support, lots of opportunities with different type of customer service jobs. And they pay pretty good. You're looking at $15 to $20 per hour with LiveOps. Next is going to be Apple, and this is definitely one of our favorite companies that Brittany and I absolutely love in our house. Everything we own is Apple. It all integrates together. It's an incredible company. We own a lot of stock shares as well. So we really love what Apple is all about. They have a ton of different remote online jobs that you can look at. But we're actually going to talk about the at-home advisor position. So this is kind of the Apple's first point of contact. They pride themselves in having some of the best customer service around. So this is going to be answering questions about products and services, providing world-class customer support, troubleshooting, and technical support. So you basically are really, really at the front line, helping answer people's questions, having technical expertise, creativity, and a passion to meet their needs. So this is important. If you love technology, you love helping people, this could be an awesome, awesome career for you. It's a full-time gig, working for one of the biggest companies in the world, Apple. So you can expect to make a good amount of income from Apple. We're talking $51 per hour through Glassdoor.com. So lots and lots of money to be made. And obviously you need to have a technical background, have a passion for Apple, and be really good on the phone and through chat. So definitely an opportunity to check out if you love Apple. Number 8 is going to be Amazon. And Amazon's also a well-known company, obviously, that offers remote positions. You can find a variety of jobs at their website, customer service to sales engineers, to marketing, lots of different opportunities. Amazon also prides themselves with some of the best customer service around. If you've ever bought something on Amazon and you go to return it, the customer service is always there to help, and free returns if you have Prime. It's just incredible experience, and they always do top-notch customer service. So as an Amazon customer service agent, you can expect to earn between $20 to $25 per hour, which is really good. And on top of that, they do offer some part-time workers full benefits or part-time benefits. So it's definitely something to check out if you have a family and you're looking for some part-time work from home or full-time work from home, and you're looking to get some benefits as well. Amazon is one of the few companies that offers benefits to part-time employees, so check them out. All right, next on our list is going to be Concentric, and Concentric is a company that provides customer service solutions to business. They have a network of independent contractors, just like LiveOps, that work remotely to provide customer service. So you can sign up to be an agent. They have different opportunities throughout the country and different types of different jobs. So they have sales again, banking representative, customer service, a brand ambassador, lots of different opportunities. They've won tons and tons of rewards. They've been around for many, many years, and they are one of the best companies to work for if you're looking for a remote work from home job. They also have a nifty little career finder here, so you can kind of put in which type of job you'd like, your postal code, and then you can type in remote or work from home and search and apply for their job. So it's a nice way to filter down all their job opportunities they have and find the ones that work for you. With Concentric, you can expect to earn that $20 to $30 per hour, and it really depends on the type of job that you're applying for. All right, number 10 is U-Haul. Believe it or not, U-Haul offers a variety of different online jobs, customer service and sales jobs. I'm gonna go ahead and click their video here. It's a little promo video.
Part-time job that allows you to work flexible hours, work from home.
Looking for a part-time job, flexible hours, work from home. This is exactly what this video is all about. U-Haul is always hiring people to kind of be their sales and customer service on the front line. So if you have a working computer, a headset, you love talking to people, again, U-Haul is a great company to work for and get that work from home flexible job you're looking for. Again, according to Glassdoor.com, with a U-Haul representative, you can expect to earn around $20 per hour. All right, number 11 is CVS Health, and is a company that offers a variety of different jobs, customer service, sales, just like a lot of these other ones, and you can find a job that fits your skills and schedule right on the website. One of their most popular ones is going to be your customer relations representative. It's a work from home. It's based out of Orlando, Florida, but it is 100% work from home and super flexible. So what you're going to be doing is basically customer relations position with CVS retail stores. You're responsible for answering customers' calls at the 1-800-SHOP-CVS and basically helping with vision, mission, and values that CVS has, superb customer service and skills. In this role, you're going to be serving as a customer service advocate, researching, responding, and interpreting company procedures and policies. The ultimate goal of delighting our values to customers. So the pay range is between $17 to $27 per hour. There are some requirements. You must have at least 1 consecutive year experience in customer service, excellent communication, but flexible work hours. So if you have a little bit of education, a little bit of skills in customer service, you can definitely apply for the CVS job. And again, it's a call center. They're always looking for work, and you can earn that $17 to $27 per hour. All right, so number 12 is World Travel Holdings, and this is a company that offers basically a lot of different sales and marketing and customer service jobs, but it's based in the travel niche. So if you love to travel, you like planning people's vacations and helping, kind of put everything together to have a good vacation, a smooth vacation for families, and you want to work from home and earn between $15 to $25 per hour doing so, talking to people, this is an awesome opportunity, World Travel Holdings. This is actually one that I looked at along with the U-Haul one I mentioned before when I was looking for work from home jobs, but I actually went on to Upwork instead of freelancing, so that's definitely something to consider. But yeah, the perks are pretty good. Healthy work-life balance, you avoid the long commute, experience through travel deals, enjoy competitive benefits, paid time off, obviously your own dress code, so you can sit here with underwear on if you want. And obviously they want you to have, the computer equipment and everything that all these jobs are going to require to work from home. All right, number 13 is well-known Hilton Hotels. This is going to be a remote hospitality position. So just like many of the other ones, it's obviously you've seen this common trend here. Customer service is going to be a very high sought after skill with work from home jobs. So you're going to be helping human hospitality in the digital world. Guest-facing opportunities, so you can find opportunities that are not remote, but we are looking for remote positions. You obviously need a computer, different benefits, and how much you can make. The average pay is only $12 per hour, which is a lot less than other ones, but I think this might be a little bit outdated, honestly, and they say that there's incentives, so you can expect to earn that $15 to $20 per hour based on my research. So again, if you love customer service, talking to people, helping them with their problems, travel, this is an awesome opportunity for you. All right, number 14 is Elevate K-12. This is a company that offers a variety of jobs from customer service to teaching positions. You can find a job that fits your skills and schedules right on their website. And it's basically an online tutoring platform. This is similar to VIP Kid. That's the company that I used to work for and get paid to teach Chinese students English. I got paid $20 per hour. So with Elevate K-12, you're going to be teaching live teaching, own part-time schedule, choose the hours up to 25 per week, subjects that you want to teach, and you can teach from home or anywhere basically, which is pretty cool. So this is super, super flexible. You get to teach what you want, when you want to teach it, set your own hours, and really pick what you want to teach. So I think it's awesome. So some of the open positions are American Sign Language, Computer Science teacher, French, German, English, Math, ESL, Spanish, Social Studies, lots of different positions. And they've been around for a long time. They're a very reputable company. And through my research, you can earn anywhere from $22 to $50 per hour based on the subject. So if you have a subject that's kind of more in demand and it's harder to find teachers to teach it, you're going to be able to make more money on K-12. So check it out if you're a teacher and you're looking for a work from home job. All right, wrapping up, number 15 here is Humana. And Humana is a health insurance company that working to assist persons to maintain and achieve the best health they possibly can. They provide millions of products and services to people worldwide to help them achieve their best health possible. Some of the remote jobs that you can find on their website are going to be an associate director, care team support, lead data scientist, customer service again. So definitely check them out. So over on careers.humana.com, you can definitely go over and check them out, look at their software engineering and all of their remote positions right here. Again, the pay can go from anywhere from $15 an hour to $50 per hour. It all depends on the type of job you are applying for with Humana and the skills that you have to offer. So there are a variety of different online work from home jobs available, so be sure to research before you decide which one is right for you. The best part about these jobs is that many of them allow you to set your own hours and work when it's convenient for you, which I'm sure you're looking for. And with the flexibility and freedom that comes from working from home, there is absolutely no reason not to check out some of these great opportunities. Definitely check out one of my next videos where I share the easiest and fastest way to start making $25 to $50 per hour as an online proofreader. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss one of our weekly videos helping you make a full-time income online. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.